Hi everyone. Today we are exploring how to design web forms that users actually enjoy filling out.
Think about the last time you gave up on a website because the sign up process was too long.
Our goal in human-computer interaction is to prevent that frustration. We focus on two things: speed and clarity.
Exactly. The first rule of form design is less is more. If you don't need a piece of information, don't ask for it. Every extra field you add reduces the chance of the user finishing the form. You want to keep the cognitive load, the mental effort, as low as possible.
Layout and grouping. Let's look at the layout. We always recommended a single column design when fields are in one vertical line. The user's eyes move naturally from top to the bottom. If you have a very long form, don't show it all at once. Use a multi-step form with a progress bar. This makes a big task feel like a few small easy steps.
Now let's talk about mistakes. User hate clicking submit only TP told they made 5 errors. We use real-time validation to show a green check mark or helpful tip while they type. If there is an error, be specific. Don't say invalid. Say password must be at least 8 characters. They reduce stress and help the user finish faster.
Visually, your labels should always stay visible. Don't hide them inside the boxes as placeholder text because they disappear when the user starts typing. Also remember accessibility. Ensure the text has high contrast and that the form can be completed using only a keyboard for people with visual or motor impairments.
In a moment, we'll show you examples like company like Shopify and Typeform who get this right, and some other government sites that get it very wrong. By following these rules, you turn a boring form into a great user experience.
Now, let's look at what makes a great form great. A good form feels like a conversation, not an interrogation. Take a look at companies like Typeform or Shopify or Monday, for example. Why do they work? First, they use a single column layout. This is much faster to read because your eyes move in a natural, straight line. Second, they use multi step designs. Instead of showing 50 questions at once, they break them into small, manageable chunks with a progress bar. This keeps the user motivated because they can see the finish line. Another key feature is real time validation. If you type your email correctly, a small green checkmark appears instantly. This gives the user confidence. Good forms also keep labels visible at all times. They never hide them inside the boxes. In short, a good form respects the user's time and makes the process feel effortless.
On the other hand, bad form design is a major reason why users leave a website. We have all seen these long, messy pages with 3 or 4 columns of text. When a form is multi-column, the user's eyes have to zigzag across the screen, which leads to confusion and mistakes. One of the biggest sins of form design is over-asking. If a website asks for your phone number and home address just to sign up for a newsletter, it creates a friction and makes people leave.
To summarize, designing a form is about more just putting boxes on a screen. It's about building trust by using single column layout, providing real-time feedback, and only asking for the information you only need. You reduce user frustration and increase success. Remember, your form should guide the user, not get their way. If you follow these simple rules, you will create a much better experience for everyone. And thank you for watching.